it up. Take out a pack and we shipping it out. I'm still sipping purple in the drought. I gotta run from the cut. I brought the K, let it pop. She let me get in that butt. Zip had to talk like a nun.
What's going on, guys? Quattrogame back in the building for another video. Today we're mixing it up with the content. Today, like, this video is really going to be a mashup of a whole lot of different things, but it should be exciting. Towards the end of the video, we'll be doing some mods to the car, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, we'll get straight to it. Let's go. Left foot on the brake. Here we go. Okay, so right now we're doing a little bit of photography of the car. Scenery is beautiful out here. Slam on the brakes.
How's that one?
A little bit better. That's fine. That's fine. I just don't like the trucks and stuff behind it.
I got you.
So we can do another pass if you want.
Yeah. So as you guys can see, we just did the carbon steering wheel with the Urus paddles. I got an idea that we're gonna try to do later tonight. Is I already painted the inside of the Urus paddle body color with a paint pen, and we're gonna put like chrome inside the plus sign and the minus sign, just to kind of spruce up the wheel a little bit. It's already a really nice wheel with the Alcantara and the carbon. We're just gonna try to do a little extra.
Does it feel sweeter than driving like another car, since like you actually put like your blood, sweat, and tears into it?
Yeah, to a certain extent, but like it's tough to explain. It's tough to explain because I felt like it shouldn't have broken in the first place. Yeah, kind of like, dang, I could have been driving this for like.
Was this the one that
past year
blew up, or no? Mm-hmm. This was the one that blew up.
Yep. Well, no, not the. You're probably thinking about.
I'm thinking about the one that caught fire on Christmas.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that was the GTI.
Okay. You've had so many cars, bro.
I try not to get attached to them.
Like women?
No, I'm not gonna put that out there.
Alright, I'm ready. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not going to bore you with the procedure of removing the steering wheel. There are a million videos on YouTube that go over exactly how to do this, the do's and the don'ts. But in this specific video, we're going to go over the install, how it looks, and we're also going to attack loose leak that I found that we had from the install of the engine from the last video. So y'all stay tuned for that, and I appreciate y'all for watching.
These are all hand tight, dude. Car's been running with a mean boost leak.
Okay, so the shot that we're going to now is the culprit of the boost leak. I hand tightened the DV just to get this shot and forgot to tighten it back down.
Tell the viewers how they can get at you.
Oh, bro, Instagram and YouTube, Kilgore, by the way. Look at me on TikTok as well, bro. We're blowing up. Coming up.
Yes, sir. sir. We're getting this right. All right, so we're on to the next spot. This is about to be crazy.
Okay, so this video is definitely all over the place, but we found an oil leak. Come to find out, it was the crank seal, so obviously we had to go and replace that. So here's a quick video montage of that. We also replaced the front grills. A possum decided it wanted to take out my driver's side grill, so we installed some new ones and added a little extra paint to them, so y'all stay tuned for that as well.